The JumboSwitch TC3846-6 4-wire E&M 600 ohm analog and dry contact over IP gateway has been and continues to be the industry standard for leased line replacement, particularly in the demanding public safety space. The TC3846-6 allows up to 4 ports of 4-wire E&M for leased line over Ethernet. Also, due to its sophisticated design, multiple sites can be connected either to other sites or a central site, as shown in this simplified diagram. While the setup of a TC3846-6 solution is fast and easy, many of our customers have asked if we could eliminate the necessity to manually adjust the output levels. Therefore, the latest generation of this product has an integrated digital potentiometer that is controlled by our integrated command line interface. Adding this feature is another example of how TC Communications reacts to customer requests, integrating these modifications into our latest generation of products. In addition to these feature upgrades, our new generation ensures that we can support our customers for many years while maintaining both compatibility with previous generation products and maintaining our industry-leading delivery times. Feel free to get in touch with us by visiting tccomm.com and click on Contact Us in the top right-hand corner. Also, please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.